Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can use Widgetable application for beginners. The first thing that you want to do is to head over to the App Store or Play Store, and then you want to search for Widgetable and you can just download the application. From there, let's then go ahead and open it up, and you want to make sure to allow some necessary information like your notification, system information, and more. So I'm going to be logging in my account using my Google right here. And to get started, you can now go ahead and customize your widget according to your style and more. So in my case, I'm going to be adding or customizing a widget for sleep. So I'll just click on sleep right here. Once again, you can set this the way you want to. And so if we navigate back, we can maybe set something maybe a little bit easier, which is going to be our mood bubble. In here, I'll then click on next. I'll click sad. And then after customizing your widget the way you want to, just click on the install a widget option. In here, you then want to choose the widget that you like. So I'll choose this one. I'll click on the save button. And from there, we can now add it to our home screen by clicking on the add function. Let's click on add once more. And from there, I'll then move it to the side screen. And from there, you then want to click on it and basically, of course, choose your widget. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.